Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Indeed mobile app, a popular platform for job searching, resume building, and employer connections. The app is designed to help users quickly browse job listings, apply directly from their phone, and track application status. With an intuitive interface and access to millions of job postings, the app serves job seekers looking for part-time, full-time, remote, or on-site roles across various industries. The app allows users to upload their resumes, apply with one tap to compatible jobs, and even set up custom alerts for new job opportunities. It also includes company reviews, salary comparisons, and messaging features to contact employers directly. These tools can simplify the job hunting process, especially for those constantly on the move. Pros of the Indeed app include its massive job listing database, the ability to filter by multiple criteria like salary, job type, and distance, and the resume builder feature. The user experience is generally smooth and it provides updates on the application progress. It also supports anonymous browsing and has an easy-to-navigate interface. However, the app does have its drawbacks. Some users report outdated listings or positions that are no longer available. Sponsored job postings may dominate the results, and applying to certain roles may redirect users to third-party sites, which can interrupt the flow. Additionally, occasional bugs have been noted in resume formatting and saved job syncing. Overall, the Indeed mobile app offers a robust job-seeking experience that can help streamline the search process and keep job hunters organized. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you don't understand something or have questions, please refer to the email address stated in the description.